Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Loca. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Loca has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price then got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of 31.5 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And once again, the pricing got rejected here. We had a long spike, but the pricing could not break it out and moved down. And after some price correction, the pricing geared up. And now we have broken out this quite significant resistance of 31.5 cents and reached the next resistance at 50 cents that had been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And now, again, it is working as a resistance. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few hours, it is trying to break it out. And at the same time, on this weekly time frame chart, Loca has also found another up trend line support and resistance. That is the formation of another up channel. This is the resistance, and here we have the support for this up channel. You can see that here we got several touch points at the support, and 1, 2, 3, and almost 4 touch points here, and several ejections by the resistance as well. Therefore, this time we will need to break out this crisscross of two resistance levels. One will be this 50 cents resistance, and the next one will be this uptrend line resistance of this up channel. And if I show you this Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that the price line is also entered in this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Loca that I shared a few days ago, almost 5 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 46% very powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Loca that I shared 5 days ago with my members on 6th of March, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Loca formed with Bitcoin pair on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very powerful reversal from this buying zone. First, it dropped more down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very powerful pump. And so far, it has rallied almost 46%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Loca. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2022, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, we found the resistance here and we found the support here in the month of May 2022. And when we found this very quite strong support here at 16.9 cents, almost at 17 cents, and the price line was getting accumulated at this support. In those days, I've been telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this wedge, and we have found a quite firm support here. Therefore, now there is a very high probability that soon we may break out the resistance of this wedge, and then it may start a massive rally and a quite long-term bull run to the upside. And you can see that we have broken out the resistance here in the month of October 2023, but the pricing got rejected by this resistance, quite long-term resistance of 31.5 cents that has been previously working as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. And after a lot of struggle, finally we broke it out here, got rejected by this uptrend line resistance of this up channel. And again, we tested the support of the channel here and geared up, and now finally we have completely broken out this resistance. And now the price line is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 50 cents and this uptrend line resistance of the channel as well. At the same time, you can see that it has also entered inside this Ichimoku bearish cloud, a very huge resistance. And you can see that this time, this resistance, the upper bands of the Ichimoku cloud, this resistance of the upper bands is slightly above the resistance of this channel and this resistance of 50 cents. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on these three resistance levels. And once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, and then target to the upside can be here. For example, if we will break it out from here from 50 cents, then target can be almost at the next resistance of $1. That is a quite long-term resistance. You can see that here it worked resistance, and here as a resistance, and here it worked as a support. Therefore, that can be another very, very strong resistance. And now if the price will be rejected by the resistance of the channel, by the way, then it can drop down here at the support of the channel. At the same time, it can also test this support, quite long-term support of 31.5 cents as well. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $5.80 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.